Hey there, DIY coders. Welcome to HTML Quickie, where we take you step by step through HTML as simply and quickly as possible so that your time is well optimized. And before we get started, I would like you to take a look in the description below if you're a person who's just learning HTML. There will be a link down there to introduce you HTML, and that's the place to get started to learn before you go ahead to touch any other video. And with that out of the way, let's get you prepared for some coding. So let's have your text editor out, your browser out, and have both those applications open to the particular file that we'll be working on. All right, so once we have that prepared, pause the video and have all this code, have your text editor written up with this code. If you haven't already, you can pause the video if you need to. And if we're done with that, let's get started. So we're going to be learning a tag called insert tags. So let's have some code prepared to demonstrate what it does. So we'll have some p tags here, just like so. There we go. And then we'll say this is some text. All right, and then this is how it would look like on the browser. Let's see, we'll do the same thing. This is some text, and then we'll start using this code on that line too. All right, say width here. Inserted text. Okay, and now we'll demonstrate how this works. So we'll save and make sure you click on the refresh button or use the shortcut buttons for refresh, and it will refresh your browser and show you the text here. So you'll notice that the two words here that are surrounded by the two tags, the two int tags, the start and the end tag, they are making it so the browser underlines this text here. So that's what it does, and that's what most browsers would do. At least to my understanding, that's what all browsers do. So what is it supposed to do? Now, you'll see it's underlined, and that's what it seems like it does. But according to what's been said online, this is supposed to indicate that this is new text. Maybe I should put the width there to make more sense of that. Make it so that it makes more sense. There we go. All right. So yeah, this would be some new text. Now, typically, this goes with a tag called del, which stands for delete. I'll have that video about that down in the description below. So with the delete tag it indicates that a certain text has been deleted, and likes to go with the insert tag a lot of the time to indicate that new text is added in place of the deleted text. Another use, there's two attributes called site and also date time. It's to indicate any of the changes that have been put on the text. This is typically going to go with some JavaScript programming. You don't need to be concerned about JavaScript programming right now as you're learning HTML, so I don't recommend jumping into that quite yet. But yeah, basically it's supposed to help you keep track of things. If you want to actually just keep track purely through HTML, everything has to be a little more manual. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it to this video. It just for our beginners' needs, this just will give you underline text. And yeah, hopefully you find this video helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. If not, leave me a thumbs down. It does help. Don't be worried about it. It does help. I need to know if I need to make these videos better. And if you have anything to say, leave me a comment down below. That will help support my YouTube videos. And don't forget to subscribe. That will also help too. As long as I've earned it, Of course, of course. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys next time.